So we can play another 2v2 if you want to.
I promoted Harry to leader.
Alright, yeah, cool.
Are you gonna upload that game?
Yeah, I will. Chill out,
Logan's on!
boundary.
Get Logan in here, man.
Yeah, do that one.
5v5 or 5v5.
I'm gonna go for a shower, man.
Alright, yeah, nice playing with you, Diego.
Take it easy, guys.
Alright, later, Diego.
Take care, man.
Get Logan in here and
It's
we can
Deadbolt.
do another 2v2.
Logan!
Hello, Logan.
Logan! Play with us, man. We're being captured. Hard.
Deadbolt. I lost.
So you can finally show the world how shitty you are, Logan. Hello?
Logan was carrying me every game the other day.
In Halo 3, and then he stayed on it. He kept with it. Not good. Alright, I want to see how good Logan is. Honestly. Capture card, me and Logan's 1v1.
Oh yeah, Logan, if you didn't know, I'm recording this on my Elgato.
So... That means, really? That's funny. This is the turtle in Spanish. I forgot what that's called. Alright, let's do this, Logan.
This might be bad.
We'll be bad.
My first game, Stephanie, hop off.
Oh, fuck, heck yeah, it's the Halo 2 map.
Yep.
I don't think I've ever played it.
I just got raped.
Mid.
Just got raped hard.
So your teammate.
Oh, whatever.
I'm not sure
There you
why
go,
I
good
got
shit, Logan.
was
I was
being
like
shot.
shooting Harry in the back.
Alright, no problem.
Easy.
What is this map called?
Deadbolt?
Oh, on
the
Halo
Halo
2.
2, I don't know. Good point.
He's one shot.
Oh.
Absolute my ex.
Nice. Alright, let's get up top. Hit the shit like Halo 2 style, baby.
This map is very confusing.
Very straightforward. Got Logan.
Good job.
Logan, I mean, I got Harry. Used to killing Logan.
Both, man.
I'm weak. I'm back now.
Right into my nade.
Yeah, I did.
Harry's one. Harry's one. Harry's one.
Alright. Do anything, I don't see him. Cowering in the dirt.
I just fell.
This is weak.
Oh my god.
Holy fuck.
Logan's pretty weak too.
I'm not sure why my screen just went black there. Whatever. I give up.
Wow, Chris.
I'm a warrior! I'm a capture card warrior!
We can regen. I didn't get the line.
Oh.
Maybe just calm down. You don't know. You've never played this map in your entire life.
Top middle.
Thanks, me,
Like giving a baby a guitar and expecting them to do Van Halen.
Chris is weak.
Yeesh.
Bunch of
Dancing in the dark.
Yeah, Chris
Hang
is
around the
camera.
posy, pockets full.
that song is about Black Death.
Black Plague, yeah.
No! Oh my god. Yeah, because when they died, they would
Oh, what?
Posies.
their pockets to make them
The rock.
smell.
fucking.
don't know if they were
Top middle.
Oh, the stick.
Oh, what a.
That was
dick.
pretty good, man.
Oh shit! I got shot in the back.
Logan's there. Absolute. Okay.
There's Stephanie. There she is.
I hear a gun reloading. It is. Oh, I missed like every shot. Fuck.
Logan has some shots.
Oh, crap. Logan has what?
Some shots.
Some shots? Have some shots.
No.
He's one.
I ran right into Chris. I thought I was gonna get away for like 2 seconds. Logan is weak. Logan is one shot. No.
No, I'm not. You're lying.
Yes, you are.
You're
Good
lying.
God. I can't believe
Harry's
you stayed
one
alive
shot.
that long, Harry. Help, Logan.
Dead. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm dead. I'm dead.
No, you're not. No, you're not. Oh my God.
She's behind me.
running.
No! I've never played this map one time my whole life.
I know, neither have I. But you guys are. I mean, Chris is obviously a.
It's my map, man. Halo 2, baby. What was that?
Really, Chris? Oh
Hey,
my
I don't know
God.
how many times I've had to shoot y'all in the back before y'all died.
Whatever.
Okay, we'll never speak of that game.
Good game.
Unless it's got put on YouTube, and then I'll keep showing it to you over and over every single day.
Sir?
Guess we find me on my content.